My name is McFly, Rode McFly. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today I'm very happy because I finally got my mic back. So a couple months ago, Rode sent me an email where they were stating that they could extend the warranty on my mic from 1 to 2 years, and a couple weeks later, one of the two transmitters stopped working. So I did the checking and the self-test with the Rode software in the computer, and I found out that one of the two transmitters was having problems with the switch on off button. And so they told me, please send it in, we'll have a look. And since it was still in warranty, I didn't know what to expect. But eventually they sent over a brand new kit, so a brand new Rode Wireless Go 2 that I'm using for a year and a half right now. I've recorded like 120 videos, either with my Leica Q2 or with the DJI, which I'm using right now to record this episode. But for any other mean I was using for recording, the audio was always coming from the Rode because it's so very important. And so thanks to Gosling Photos, I also had this microphone, which I use when I'm so very lazy because I don't want to wear the microphone or install the lav mic. And so if I'm just sitting here, I put that mic at chest level and I'm able to record videos and audio. And so I'm so very pleased because having the new microphone back, it means that I can also go back to shooting and recording videos with my Leica Q2, which is the best result possible that I'm having because it has this cinematic look when I myself will be in focus while the background is not, and also the Leica color science is so very good. And I'm using the DJI for vlogging or for POV videos, and I'm also happy because I found out that my new phone, which is a cheap Motorola Edge 2022, has these new features. It has optical image stabilization. I can record 4K 60p in macro mode, so if I have to showcase a product, I can do it. And it also has this showcasing product feature when it will focus on the product and then focus back on my face, which this DJI does not have for the moment because being an action cam is just focusing to infinite. And so I have to keep it at a distance and a bit more other things to take attention to, but I'm so very happy that I'm having right now the chance of choosing between the Leica, the DJI, and the Motorola. Motorola, it's a good thing because I used to work for them years ago when we launched the clamshell Razr. Well, right now it's just a cheap smartphone, and so I got it as an offer for like $5 a month because I didn't want to invest much money into having iPhones or Samsung or whatever, because to me a phone is just a phone, but to me a phone is also a mean to an end because it helps me when I'm having to record and I have a 4K timeline on my video production. I need 4K 30p or 60p or whatever the timeline is, and so I can use both the DJI and the Motorola for product shooting and the Leica Q2 for recording videos, thanks to the audio, which is a good one because it comes from this mic. So shout out, thank you Rode for sending that one. I didn't know what to expect, whether they would fix or substitute just one transmitter, but they sent eventually a whole new one. Also, I was questioning myself whether I needed more tools for recording videos, but I think that I have enough because I have my full frame camera for recording videos. So as of the next one, I will be back to using the Leica Q2 mounted on a tripod, so we're having a proper video production. The audio is always with the Rode. The DJI will be for the POV videos or when I'm vlogging, and also now I can use the Motorola. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.